Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Michelle and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. On my channel I post videos about luxury, planning, and travel, so if those are some things that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below and also hit that notification bell because I upload new videos every single week. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a 6-month review about the Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plate, and this bag is definitely a want versus a need, but I do have to say that I actually use this bag fairly often and I absolutely love it because it is small, it is tiny, but it definitely fits all of my essentials and I think it's absolutely adorable. When I purchased this bag earlier this year, it used to be $13.60, but there was a sneaky price increase from Louis Vuitton and now it's about $14.40. And ever since then too, they also did come out with a lot of other different Petite Sac Plats in other materials, and I think this one right over here in the monogram en front looks beautiful, but I can't really justify having two of these. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you how this bag has held up this past 6 months. Alright, so here is what my bag looks like close up, but to be honest, it still looks really brand new. The sides look really good. This bag also doesn't have feet, but this is what the bottom also looks like. The handles are also treated Vachetta, so they don't really get darker over time, and also they don't get like the water stains or things like that just because it's already treated. So these ones still also look really good. It also does come with a strap right over here, and this one also is treated Vachetta, so it does match the handles still perfectly. And so yeah, these ones are also lobster clasps that attach right over here to these D-rings on the handle, so that you can wear it as a shoulder bag or also a crossbody bag as well. But yeah, I mean, after 6 months, this bag still looks brand new, even though I kind of lay it down, or I sit it down on its bottom without the feet. I still think it looks really good for the amount of time that I've had it, and I feel like it's not going to change much over time as well. So even though it has this crossbody strap, I usually have it attached to the bag in case I wanted to wear it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. But to be honest, I don't really wear it as a crossbody or shoulder strap just because I don't really like how it kind of makes the handle crooked, just like so. With that, I kind of wish the D-rings were over here, like on the sides instead. I mean, it bothers me, but it doesn't bother me that much because surprisingly, I really just don't really carry it that way anyways. I actually like and enjoy carrying it as a top handle bag, and I just think it's the cutest thing ever. I actually have a lot of photos on my Instagram where I'm just holding it as a top handle bag, and actually that's how I carry it the majority of the time anyways. So yes, this bag is very, very small, but if you're only planning on carrying the essentials and nothing more, this bag can work for your lifestyle. But if you do carry a lot more stuff, this bag I don't think is going to be for you. And I want to mention that just because I did get a couple of comments on my channel on my previous videos about the Petite Sac Plate saying like, this bag is so tiny, it's such a waste of money, or this video just kind of convinced me not to get the bag because it's just so tiny. But to be honest, you know, those are the reasons why I post my videos, so that you can decide whether you want the bag or if you don't want the bag in the first place, because I totally get that handbags are pricey, they're not cheap, they're investment pieces. So personally, I can get away with putting my cell phone in here, my key pouch, and my lip product, and I'll be good to go. So personally, this bag really does work out for me because I just don't carry that much. But yeah, I mean, if you carry a lot more, this bag, it's not going to work out for you. Lastly, what I did want to mention is that I did see there were some new Sac Plats coming out in a larger size, and I'm really excited for those. I am in the market for like a larger work bag, but I just don't know if I want like the same style as this. But I really just love how structured the Sec Plat is, and that's why I really gravitated to this one, because I really did like the older version. I'll maybe put a picture right over here, but because I couldn't get this one and I didn't shop the pre-loved market, that's why I really liked this little mini bag. But yeah, I have no regrets about this one. Again, personally for my lifestyle, it really works. If you are like me and you only take your essentials, this bag can work for you too. And yeah, it still looks very brand new after 6 months, and I have brought this bag with me out so many times. So personally, I absolutely love it, and I think there are a lot of other sac plats too, in other colors. Like the leather one is so beautiful, that I feel like are also worth it too if you feel like this bag can work for your lifestyle. But yeah, overall I really love this bag, and it definitely was a want versus a need, but it really worked out in the long run. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!